I am making a delicious immune boosting food that normally we wouldn't think about. Guacamole. This takes a second, but it has so many amazing nutrients in it. There is garlic, which is a superfood, tomato for vitamin C, of course, lemon and avocado. So I'll start by chopping half an onion, and honestly I would chop this very finely because I don't like big chunks of onion in my guac. If you've never made guac, I am going to show you how easy this is. Two tomatoes, I am deseeding my tomato. I need to take the seeds out of it, and then I will chop the tomato as well. These are one of my all-time favorite foods to make. I use it in my salad instead of salad dressing. And again, chop my tomato just like I did with the onion. There we go. I am going to crush my garlic. That's a big so it truly is not guacamole if it doesn't have garlic. Garlic is the secret sauce to guac. And then, just to make sure it's extra fine, I am going to and with the avocado, I just use my knife, just like that. Same thing here, use my knife. And then I'm going to use a spoon to scoop it out. If you like guacamole and you've never made it at home, there is never a better time to try than now. It's just the moment you make your own guacamole at home, you never want to buy store-bought. Cilantro, not everybody, it's an acquired taste in guac for some people, but I love it in my guacamole. So, and of course it's going to not only lend taste, extra nutrients. The guacamole is what we are going to use as our salad dressing. in. Then I squeeze my lemon, and usually because this lemon is big, I am going to start with half, and when I put my salt and black pepper, if I think it still needs more, then I would add some. A little bit of fresh ground pepper. And a pinch of salt. And I am going to gently mix. I'm going to move it over here so you can see what the final product looks like. I don't like when the guac is too puree, too mushy, so I like it with some chunks in it. And you know, this is it, very simple, right? Avocado, tomato, garlic, salt, pepper, lemon, and cilantro. And of course, onion, if I didn't mention that. And here we go.